Hi everyone. In today's lecture, I'm going to speak about the dynamics of hope and wish, forms, and uses. Wish is a desire or hope for something that is unlikely to happen or difficult to achieve. It does not state a condition, but it often refers to the unreal, the contrary to fact. We wish for things we do not have and for events which cannot happen. Common uses and forms. First, wish is often used to express a desire for the present or for the future. The form used here is I wish plus past simple or past continuous. Example, I wish I were taller, but I'm not. Second, it is often used to express regret, often for the past. The form used here, I wish plus past perfect. Example, I wish I had studied harder, but I didn't. Third, it is also used to express a polite request. The form used here, I wish plus would. Example, I wish you would stop smoking. Fourth, it is often used to express impossible or unlikely wishes. The form used here, I wish plus could. Example 1, I wish I could fly, but I cannot. Example 2, she wishes she could speak French, but she cannot. Possible wishes. Possible wishes refer to desires that are attainable or realistic, though they might still require effort or time. Wish is often used to express a realistic desire. The form used here, I wish plus present simple. Example 1, I wish to become a doctor. Possible with effort. Example 2, they wish to travel to Europe next year. Wish is also used to make a wish that is likely to happen. The form used here is I hope plus present simple or future. Example 1, I hope I pass the exam. It is likely with the study. Example 2, we hope to see you soon. Wish in emotional tone. Unrealistic desire. It can also express a desire for something that is unlikely to happen or is contrary to the current reality, sometimes with a hint of frustration or sadness. Hypothetical situations. Wishes can reflect hypothetical or counterfactual thinking, where the speaker contemplates different reality. Example context. Personal. I wish I could travel the world. This expresses a deep longing for something that is currently out of reach, reflecting a desire that might seem unrealistic. Regret. I wish I had taken that job offer. Here, the speaker is expressing regret about a past decision, reflecting on what might have been if a different choice had been made. Now I'll move to speak about hope. Hope is a feeling of expectation and desire for a certain thing to happen. It is often used when the outcome is uncertain but possible. It refers to the unknown of any time, present, past, or future. We hope only for the possible. Common uses and forms of hope. First, hope is used to express a desire for the future. The form used here, I hope plus present simple or future. Example 1, I hope it doesn't rain tomorrow. Example 2, she hopes to get the job. Second, hope is often used to express a wish for someone else. The form used here, I hope plus you plus present simple. Example 1, I hope you have a great day. Example 2, we hope you enjoy your stay. Third, hope is often used to express uncertainty or optimism. The form used here is I hope so or I hope not. Example 1, do you think they will win? I hope so. Example 2, will it rain? I hope not. The summary of both forms wish and hope can be summarized in the following way. Wish is often used with unreal or unlikely desires, and 4 cases to be remembered here. Case number 1 in present or future, as in I wish I were, and there must be a complement here. Second, with past, as in I wish I had, and there must be a complement here as well. Third, polite request, I wish you would, and there must be a complement. And fourth, in impossible cases, as in I wish I could, and there must be also a complement. Second point, with possible wishes, whether they are realistic or attainable, we could also use wish or hope. With the present simple, we could use I wish to or I wish for, and in both cases there must be a complement. In the future, we could use hope, as in I hope to and I hope that, and in both cases there must be a complement. Thirdly, hope could be used in optimistic desires, and here 2 things to be remembered. In the future, we can say I hope you plus complement. With uncertainty, we can say I hope so or I hope not. Thanks for watching and goodbye.